This video, I'll show you how to customize and upgrade your cars in GTA 4 using a simple car customization mod. Check my video description for this mod link. Just scroll down and select the manual download option. Select slow download option and it will start downloading. Check my video description for this another mod link. Just scroll down and select start download option. Once this download done, select this folder icon. Right click on this ASI loader and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Just close stuff here, open this folder. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Before doing this, backup your game folder. Just copy and paste it in same location and rename this to backup. Once you did, open the GTA 4, drag and drop all these files inside of a game folder except this readme. Once you done this, go back, open this customs. We download the car mod. Just drag and drop this scripts, drag and drop all these files inside the scripts folder. Now just close up here and launch the game. Once you are in game, just press the escape key. And in map, you need to navigate to this library city customs location. Just right click and after selecting the waypoint, navigate to that location. Once you are near to this paint location, as you can see, I'm in this library city customs location. Once you are in, it will ask you, do you want to drive inside the car upgrade? Press Y in your keyboard to drive in. Once you are in, you can select the repair option by press enter. You can choose these options using this left and right arrow in your keyboard. I'm gonna change this car color. For example, primary color. Choose the color you like and press enter to select the color. To go back, use the backspace. Same thing. You can customize all these options, guys. Once you did all the option customization, to get out of this customization, press enter exit option. And now you can drive the car with all customization you did. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.